Okay, Rose, how scary does watch for sedation sound when it pertains to cough medicine? Yes, I got cough medicine today at the doctor's, and it says on the bottle, watch for sedation. I just took them. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll pass out on video. You never know. Hopefully not. That would be weird. Yeah. Also, you know how my pain's been kind of bad again. I got upgraded pain medicine. I'm gonna watch myself. I'm gonna keep pace and not go crazy on it because crazy is bad. Just, I don't know. Sorry about coughing all the time. I just got done with one of my classes, well, my last class of the day, and I'm doing awesome in that class. It's called Writing with Technology, and we're doing something called RoboHelp. And I don't know if you know what RoboHelp is, but basically it creates all those help menus and stuff that you find on your computer. You know, like when you're playing a game and you click help and it has that thing and it has the booklets and you can click on them and they tell you what to do. Yeah, I know how to make those now. What you gonna do about that? Yeah. Let's see what else. I'm watching Melissa and Joey right now because it's on TV and I think it's hilarious. Gosh, sorry about the coughing. Sorry. What else do I have to say about life? Cecilia might be coming over for dinner or something tonight, so that should be interesting. Why does my face... I don't know what it is. I don't like wearing my glasses in videos for some reason. It just... And this light in here is weird right now, so there's this weird shadow on this part of my face that makes me look creepy. Like half of my face is distorted. Yeah. What if I did this? That looks a little bit better. Yeah. Awesome face. What were we talking about last night? We're talking about so much stuff. I'm so glad that you have that mentor for your class and your major and stuff because that's awesome and I approve even though I don't have to approve because it's your life, but I still approve anyways, so, I don't know. The doctor that I always see at the Health and Wellness Center at my school never remembers what my tattoo says, so every single time he grabs my arm and he's just like, oh yeah, I remember it said something clever, but I just couldn't remember what it was. And I'm just like, thanks, awesome. And then he leaves and I'm just like, really? You can never remember what it says. Oh well, no big deal. Whatevsies. I don't have a whole lot more to say. Today's awesome because hopefully I'll be rid of my cold. Yay! Okay, Rose, I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to be awesome.